What are you doing? Watch out, Paisley. Woohoo! You're crazy. And this is about lap 20 now. So we know who the older horse is in this scenario. Now it's chaos in the pasture. Here we go again.
And that's the horse I ride bareback.
I know. He's been going at it now.
Amazing, right? He's just sitting over there in the corner.
Just been throwing a few bucks, but he's like, "What, are you crazy?"
Grandma, me and Kendra called raining.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Careful, boy. Jetty!
And I told her, since she's still doing her homework until around 4, that she'll call when she's done. And I told her to call on to your phone. I'm surprised that's the horse I ride. Bareback, too. But doesn't he look gorgeous when he runs?
He's slowing down now.
Yeah, I loped him. I loped him around last night on the with the bareback on. He told me. I thought he was new flight. There you go. That pistol. You can handle that. It's probably good. Grandma. Oh, be careful, horses. And Jet looks so small compared to.
He is small.
And yet he's still able to chase my horse around. And Jet's supposed to have a hoof back.
No, it's better. It's not hurt.
I know what you're thinking. Could someone get on him and ride him? Someone like right now?
I can ride him. I'm not putting anybody up on him but me. Don't even think about it.
Kendra.
Kendra, what?